के लिए आपके सामने आ रही हैं औरंगाबाद उर्दू हाई स्कूल से शेख निशात। शेख निशात, बेटा अपना माइक ऑन करें, अपना कैमरा ऑन करें और अपनी स्पीच को प्रेजेंट करें।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nishat Ubesh Sheikh. I am studying in 9th standard from Halgai Dawanik Urdu Medium School, Taluka Vaidapur District, Aurangabad. Respected chief guest, teachers, and all my dear brothers and sisters, if you fail, you never give up. Fail means first attempt in learning. Yes, these are the word for a giving legend with a noble character and countless achievements whom we called APJ Abdul Kalam. Good morning for everyone. First of all, I thankful to all respected teachers who give me a golden opportunity to speak about most humble, lovely, and intelligent person, Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist who later became the 11th President of India. He was one of the most respected person of the country. Also, Dr. Abdul Kalam, properly known as the Missile Man of India. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu in Muslim family. His full name was Awal Pakir Zainul Abdin. His father Zainul Abdin was a boat owner and imam of local mosque. After his father's death, he did many work hard, sold newspaper and contributed to his family. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. His contribution to the India Space Research Organization ISRO are unforgettable. He was the first scientist to occupy the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Dr. Kalam was also known as the People President. During his life, he visited thousands of school colleges and tried to motivate the youth of the country to work for the development of the country. Unfortunately, lost this great personality on 27 July 2015 at the age of 83 due to sudden cardiac attack. The death of APJ Abdul Kalam is a great loss for India, but his contribution for India will always be remembered. A few tips given by Abdul Kalam for the upcoming generation to succeed in life. We have to do four things. We will have great aim. We will continuously acquire knowledge. We will do hard work. We will pursue here and succeed. Thanking you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
वेरी गुड। औरंगाबाद से निशात उबैद ने ये स्पीच आपके सामने पेश की है। सामाइन नाजरीन और तमाम बच्चों को बताता चलो कि शुरुआत से हमने अलग अलग बच्चों को सुना, अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में सुना, अलग अलग इलाकों से बच्चों को सुना, यानी कि हम कह सकते हैं कि ऑल ऑफ अस